Top 3 AI coins of the week, June 3 to 9. The AI crypto boom is back. These 3 AI coins are absolutely exploding right now. We're talking over 100% gains, surging volume, and serious on-chain momentum. And the best part, each one is still under the radar of mainstream investors. If you're bullish on artificial intelligence in crypto, this is the week to pay attention. Because from emerging AGI frameworks to decentralized compute protocols, we're seeing real infrastructure being built, not just hype. Welcome back to Crypto Pulse, where we bring you deep dives, real insights, and always objective analysis. Before we dive in, here's the legal side of things. Crypto assets are high risk and not regulated in the UK. You could lose all the money you invest. There is no consumer protection. This content is not financial advice. Always do your own research. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. This is Crypto Pulse, where deep dives meet real insights. And in today's episode, we're breaking down the top 3 AI coins of the week, ranked by performance, narrative strength, and future potential. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for weekly altcoin picks and AI project breakdowns. We cover what matters, early movers, breakout narratives, and the stories that never make it to the headlines. Let's get started. Quick disclaimer first. Crypto assets are high risk and not regulated in the UK. You could lose all the money you invest. There is no consumer protection. This content is not financial advice. Always do your own research. Now, let's zoom out for a moment. Bitcoin is hovering above $71,000, reclaiming a key psychological level with growing ETF inflows. Ethereum is charging toward $3,900, fueled by ETF hype, L2 activity, and rising staking demand. But the real action, it's happening in AI altcoins. Low-cap, high-narrative AI coins are starting to take over the top gainer lists across CoinGecko and DEX tools. Social volume is surging, developers are deploying new infrastructure, and on-chain money is moving. Even Nvidia hitting all-time highs is bleeding into crypto sentiment, and it's creating what many are now calling the beginning of AI Summer 2.0 in Web3. With that backdrop, let's kick things off with our first pick. Coming in at number 3 this week is Morpheus AI, ticker symbol MOR. Morpheus is building something few people truly understand yet, a modular framework for AI agents. These agents will operate autonomously, communicate with each other, and execute tasks on-chain, like DeFi logic, DAO decisions, or enterprise automations. But it doesn't stop there. Morpheus is integrating zero-knowledge proofs to protect user data and enable private machine learning, a huge unlock for decentralized AI. In simpler terms, it wants to be the middleware for AI agents, with security, scalability, and interoperability baked in. This week, Morpheus teased its new Agent SDK, a software toolkit that lets developers build and deploy their own AI logic across different chains. That announcement alone drove a massive spike in interest, and it wasn't just hype. Liquidity surged 4x on Uniswap and SushiSwap. Holder count broke previous all-time highs. And whale wallets began positioning heavily across Arbitrum and Scroll. With a fully diluted market cap still under $30 million, Morpheus AI is clearly an early-stage bet. But the tech is real. The use case is massive. And the narrative, AI agents in crypto, is only just beginning to catch on. That's why Morpheus takes our number 3 spot this week. Now let's move to our number 2 pick, Qubic, ticker symbol QUBIC. Qubic is one of the most misunderstood coins in the entire AI space, and one of the most powerful. It isn't just trying to build smart contracts. It's building an entire decentralized compute layer governed by AI consensus, no validators, no miners. Just artificial intelligence running the network. Think of it as a hybrid between Ethereum and OpenAI, but fully decentralized, censorship-resistant, and publicly owned. Anyone can run AI models on Qubic. Anyone can deploy apps, and the entire protocol self-regulates through machine-based logic. This week, Qubic absolutely exploded, jumping over 130% in just 7 days. Volume broke $15 million. Social mentions reached record highs. And a few large whales began consolidating supply aggressively on-chain. The momentum was visible on DEX tools, Twitter, even in dev groups on Farcaster and Telegram. What makes Qubic exciting isn't just the token pump, it's that it represents a real alternative to centralized AI infrastructure like AWS or Azure. If it delivers, Qubic could become the compute backbone of Web3 AI, and that makes it one of the most asymmetric plays in the market right now. And that brings us to our number 1 AI coin of the week, Sophon, ticker symbol SOPH. Sophon is the biggest breakout of early June. It combines modular ZK infrastructure, decentralized physical infrastructure networks, DEPIN, and AI-native applications, all in one powerful ecosystem. Built by the same team behind Arweave and Numoan, Sophon is leveraging bleeding-edge technology to create a new kind of AI chain. One that isn't just fast and cheap, but composable, verifiable, and embedded with real-world sensors and AI agents. The idea: build a real-world cognitive layer for crypto apps, where data, sensors, and AI logic all come together to power AGI-level tools. This week, Sophon surged over 150%. It topped CoinGecko's trending list. Twitter threads went viral, and early whales pushed liquidity pools to new highs on Uniswap and Aerodrome. Sophon's Telegram group more than doubled in size. On-chain activity spiked, and multiple devs began announcing tools to integrate AI agents into their protocols. What makes SOPH different is that it's not just an idea, the infrastructure is already live and being tested. ZK modules, DEPIN integrations, cross-chain logic, real-world use cases. And with a market cap still in its early bootstrapping phase, the upside potential is massive, especially if you believe AI will become native to Web3. That's why Sophon is our top AI coin of the week. Let's quickly recap this week's top 3. Number 3, Morpheus AI, modular infrastructure for autonomous agents, with ZK privacy and SDKs for devs. Number 2, Qubic, Qubic, fully decentralized compute layer, powered by AI consensus, enabling scalable app and model execution. Number 1, Sophon, SOPH, next-gen modular ZK plus DEPIN platform building the cognitive layer of Web3 AI. These aren't just speculative pumps. These are early-stage ecosystems laying the foundation for artificial general intelligence in crypto, decentralized, composable, and censorship-resistant. And as the AI narrative intensifies globally, these coins could go from niche to necessary. Also, keep your eyes on FET, Tau, and 01 Labs. All three are showing signs of early accumulation and narrative alignment. Want us to break those down next? Let us know in the comments. And now, over to you. Which AI coin do you think will lead the next wave? Drop your pick below. And if you found this video valuable, do us a favor, like, subscribe, and tap the bell. We'll see you next week, only on Crypto Pulse, where deep dives meet real insight, and hype is always optional. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. This is Crypto Pulse, where deep dives meet real insights.